Every home begins as an empty canvas. The difference is how you choose to bring it to life. This is where your family gathers. And memories quietly begin. This is more than just a dining space. Every meal becomes time together. Every day should end with a space that feels completely yours. Your master bedroom. Simple, comfortable, timeless. Your very own walk-in wardrobe. A room designed to grow with your family. The children's room. A space to nurture young minds. Because every home should have room for the people you love. So every guest feels right at home. This could be your favorite little corner, the lounge. For conversations that last a little longer.
The walls are already here and the possibilities are entirely yours. City Villa won by MS Developers. Book your villa now.